Luffy will become the first galaxy puller. Yes, he will not destroy the red line, but lift it from Blue Star. Check this out. So when we are in Ohara, we actually get to see the first so-called model of Blue Star. Now, it shows us 6 moons, but as far as we're concerned, we've only seen one moon, the one that Enel went to. So what was Clover showing us? Well, let's dive a little bit further. In Punk Hazard, at Vegapunk's old lab that he left behind, that's now occupied by Caesar, if you zoom in, sitting on his desk in the middle of it, you see a planet, a model of a planet, but it has no moons. Instead, it has a planetary ring. So, what does this mean? Well, in the order that we get shown these, I think it's Oda revealing the cosmological history of Blue Star. Now, you see, planetary rings are formed when a planet's moon comes into its Roche limit. That's where it reaches the planet's gravity, where it gets so intense that it actually crushes the moon, turning it into a debris ring. Now, I believe that Emu is the earth god, and if you know my other theories, you would know why. So I believe Emu applied so much force that drew the moons in and didn't stop them. The planetary ring continued to be drawn towards the planet, eventually fully entering the atmosphere, and was condensed into a solid structure, crashing it into the planet and becoming the red line, displacing massive amounts of water and causing the ancient flood that covered the majority of the world's landmass. Now, even further than this, we know that the Lunarians were once residing atop the red line, or at least that's what we're told to believe. But Lunarian translates to of the moon. And the space pirates Enel encountered on the world's remaining moon said they were there excavating the ruins of the winged people who once lived there. Now, furthermore, after the Lunarians were eradicated on orders of the world government, they were replaced by the CDs, the celestial dragons. Well, celestial is literally a word that implies cosmic origin. They are depicted wearing suits that most people think are scuba suits, but these to me are astronaut suits. So, why? Why does all of this matter? Well, instead, I believe somehow the red line will be lifted by Luffy and returned to its rightful place in orbit.